Okay, so it's finally starting to warm up here in the southern hemisphere, which means summer is just around the corner. And that means our dolls need some swimwear. Normally, I would make them from scratch or maybe buy something, but I was looking through my collection and I found these instead. I actually think one of these is almost 30 years old, which got me thinking, can old doll swimwear still work today? The bikini sets I'm using are these three. I'm not 100% sure how I acquired these. I think they were either donated to me or I picked them up with dolls at thrift stores. But what I do know is the dolls that I'm going to use to bring these to life. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Sarah and welcome to my Dollville, where I bring miniatures and stories together. All right, let's see if these old swimsuits still have some life in them. Our first swimsuit is this blue bikini. This originally came with the Surf City Midge doll released back in the 2000s, which means this bikini is 26 years old. Honestly, it's held up surprisingly well. There's definitely a few signs of aging, but overall, it still looks pretty good. For this look, I'm going to be styling Barbie Basics Models number 7. I really love her curls and I think we're going to have them out, so I'm going to take the hair tie out. It is in there so tight. Okay, I finally got it off. I had to break it off. I could not get it off. It's beautiful, but those curls are really tight. So I might give her a hot water dip and see if we can loosen them a little bit. Be right back. Well, I had never done that before and it looks so natural. It looks way better than I imagined. She actually suits it down more than she suits it up. It changes her whole vibe. Very luxurious looking. I knew she had it in her. The outfit is cute and it does fit, although the bikini bottoms are very, very short on her. So yeah, we might need to work with that. I have some of this material. It's kind of like a satiny thing, and I'm thinking it would make a really nice sarong. It will just help make that look a bit better, I think, and enhance it, because we're going for a luxury look. So yeah, I'm going to try and turn this into something that will work. I actually love that. It's not my best work, and I could definitely have more fabric coming down here, but I really wanted to show off the bikini. So I actually like it. I think it works. Let's try a necklace. I like that. I do have some bracelets, so let's put those on. Okay, we're getting somewhere, but she definitely needs a hat. And I have one, I just made the ribbon match the sarong. So I feel like, wait, do we think? There it is. She looks like she belongs in a luxury resort campaign. I do think a darker blue swimsuit would have made this look even stronger, but for a bikini that's 26 years old, I think it's held up incredibly well. What do you think? Does this swimsuit still work today, or is it finally time to retire it? Next up is this purple bikini. This one originally came with Barbie a Mermaid Tale 2 Aussie beach doll, released in 2002. So it's 14 years old, probably the youngest of the three. And honestly, it's in almost perfect condition. Aside from the connections here, I can't find anything wrong with it. A little bit of wear and tear around here, but the quality has held up really well. For this look, I'm going to be styling Barbie Basics model number 6. She has such a relaxed look. You could make her real high end or relax her down to more of a boho feel. I think she's going to be a perfect match for this swimsuit. The swimsuit is a perfect fit. It fits so nicely on her and I really like how it looks. I made the right choice. But this time I'm actually going to keep things really simple. Sometimes less really is more. I found this scarf from the Mini Fashion. I actually have 2 and I have an idea. Okay, that is really cute. I love it. But it feels like it's missing something. And this beaded necklace, I think would make a perfect bracelet. I love how effortless this feels. I do have another one, but it's a little bit bigger. Maybe we can put it on the other side. Or do you think that's like too much? I think it's too much. I think one's perfect. It's giving relaxed luxury. Like she just stepped off the yacht somewhere in the Mediterranean. For a swimsuit that is 14 years old, I think this one has aged beautifully. What do you think? Does this swimsuit still feel timeless, or has the moment passed? And our final bikini, this orange, yellow, and pink one. And honestly, I am not completely convinced by this one. I mean, this belt is, well, a choice. This swimsuit originally came with the Barbie Bath Play Fun Teresa doll. That's a mouthful. Released back in 2010. So it's about 16 years old. And just like the last swimsuits, it's actually in really good condition. Like the colours are still bright, the stitching's held up, even the belt is still attached. Like, look at that. There's like no stains at all or wear. So well done, Mattel. This is good quality. For this look, I'm going to style one of my favourite dolls. She is a custom doll that I had repainted a few years ago, and I just love her. I think you can guess who she's kind of modelled off. And I think if anyone can pull this outfit off, it's her. She's known as Veronica in my Dollville High series, but I'm actually thinking about making her leave the series and giving her a new name and a whole new kind of look. But I'm just thinking about it at the moment. But her hair is dead straight. Like dead straight, which I love and have loved. But for this style, I want to soften her hairstyle a little bit. So I'm going to try and do that straw and hot water method to give her some loose waves. Problem is, I don't have straws. I have these kind of balloon holder things, and I have these. So we're going to try something. Yeah. We'll see how it turns out. That is exactly what I was hoping for. The back kind of fell out a little bit, but it's giving me the soft wave that I want, not like extreme curls. Now, let's add a little jewelry. Some bracelets. And of course, sunglasses. I don't know where I got these sunglasses from, but they are definitely luxurious. Not really vibing with the belt, but it's nice. But it doesn't quite have that luxurious feeling yet. I think it needs one statement piece. I'm going to try and make a cover up. This could look amazing, or it could be a complete disaster. Wish me luck. Okay, that completely changes the look. The cover up is definitely not perfect. I should have made the sleeves wider, so it's a little bit more like a flowy cover up. But it has turned the whole outfit into something much more dramatic. Now, I could imagine seeing this in a summer fashion editorial. What do you think? Did styling save this swimsuit, or is this one simply too dated? Okay, moment of truth. Which look is your favorite? The blue, the purple, or the orange? I'm actually really surprised at my choice. The orange one is my favorite, which is really, really crazy because at the start, the bikini was my least favorite. I 100% thought it was going to be the purple one, but it just goes to show that styling can really transform a look. And if you have made it this far, I have a little challenge for you. I'd love for you to style your own favorite doll in swimwear, take the best fashion photo and share it on our Dollville community. Just head over to the community tab, upload your photo, and show us your style. You never know, you might even be featured in a future video or community post. I can't wait to see what you create. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give us a like, and if you're new here, I'd love for you to subscribe. I build miniatures, style dolls, and brings tiny stories to life every week. Well, I try to. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next Dollful.